Guys, it's finally here. I got an iPhone X. I ordered it from eBay, but the box looks a little bit shady. And if you're wondering that, it's because I put a bunch of duct tape over my address and stuff. Alright, time to open it up. Oh, that won't cut. I'm so excited. Yeah. Oh, I always wanted the iPhone X ever since it came out. Now I don't have to have this trashy old iPod 5 that can't even upload anymore. Time for some new uploads, like HD quality camera. Stabbed myself. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah. Some of it down. Hold on. Oh wow. Okay, I got it open. Oh, there's bubble wrap. Of course there's bubble wrap. You've always got to protect it. Because it goes. I'm going to save this later for a little skit thing. Wow. It's in a bag for some reason. Okay. Ooh, there it is. Okay. Oh. As you can see, it's in its original packaging. That's nice. Oh boy, can't wait to try on the emoji thing. Got it. Can you just get off, please? Oh, my leg still hurts from getting stabbed. The moment of truth. Okay, there's the envelope thing. Let's check it. Okay. What is this? Ooh, the thingy. iPhone X for life, dudes. There's nothing else in there. What is this? I ordered an iPhone X. What is this? An iPod. Are you kidding me? iPod. It has a headphone jack. Well, my iPod 5 has one too. But look at the charger. That's not even the right charger. It even has this thing on top. The little button. I mean, my iPod 5 has the same thing. But at least it's shiny. But it's all scratched up. Some cracks in there. Oh my god. What is this? Get scammed, stupid. Stupid plastic headphones. What are these? I mean, earbuds. It's not even the right color. It didn't even come with the thingy. It didn't even come with the adapter. Oh my god. How? I never got horribly scammed. This is a Samsung charger. What is this? Have the official box. How could I get horribly scammed? My god. I'm never ordering eBay ever again. Never, ever, 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 ever. eBay sucks. So, never order eBay because you'll get the same reaction I got. God.